The Impulse VG Plus Series 5 drive, in addition to the multi-function digital input terminals being used for end-of-travel limit, this drive also can provide electronic end-of-travel limits. This will use motor rotations based on the encoder feedback that's available with the closed-loop VG Plus drive. Using the programmable end-of-travel limits frees up the need for a rotary limit setup. And what this does is it allows all of the programmable multifunction inputs to be used for other functions than a limit switch input. Okay, to set up the programmable limit switch function in the drive, the C03 parameter group and the monitor mode U0151 motor rotations is used.